Hello everybody, it's Majestic Queen here. I'm going to show you an Annalist tutorial guide, tips and tricks. Let's go. This is the feedback about my channel description if they want to know what my content's about. It's in the description here, my YouTube links, Facebook, Torrent, TikTok, YouTube. When I joined, how many views I got all over the years. Your profile pitch, manage videos to get there. Dashboard. This is where everything happens. It shows you what people watch on your channel. Everything. Top content from this week. First 2 hours of 54 minutes compared to your typical performance. Top 10 videos, 3 out of 10 for this week. How many views, typical watch. This is published videos, same thing. Latest post, I'll show that later. Recent subscribers, so if you missed anyone in the past, you can always check it here and subscribe to them. Last 90 days, lifetime, 365 days, click it. You'll find every subscriber that has subscribed to you. If you missed it, just hit that subscribe button back. And what else here? Views, watch hours have went up. Typical range, top videos for the last 48 hours. 3 right here. Gummy Bear, Captain Jack, and What's Up. If you haven't checked them out yet, feel free. And let's go back to Annalist. How many views I got in the last 28 days? 10.k. Nice. Watch time, subscribers. I'll show you that after though. How many people that have watched it? Only a little bit have watched these. These ones got more views. Those ones at the bottom there. These got a little bit of views, but they're growing. Same with all these here. Till about the end. Top content for last 48 hours got that many views for these videos. My podcast has 4.1k views and 29.3 watch hours. Nice, thank you. Thank you for everyone that's been watching it. And these are the videos for this period of right now. The top 10. A lot of views. And over here is the same thing of what's in the middle. Impression rate, click rate when they click on your video to watch it, and how many people have watched it, performance. And this gives you an idea of what people have been watching on your channel. Yours will be different. This is just like an example, but it works the same way. All that right here. A lot of views for the What's Up Gummy Bear. Those are all in past 300, 200 and down. Most content, 3 days is 17 hours for the watch time. This one already got a little bit because it's still new. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. That's very good. Than I usually get, so that's pretty good too. So it gives you all examples on your videos. And then there's subscribers. This is where I got some of my subscribers from, where these contents right here. That gives you an idea on your channel and where you get your contents from for subscribers and what they like. Here, it'll completely show you where you got your subscribers and all that stuff. There's gender and all that stuff. Viewer's age, more up top. I always have it at the last 28 days. Channel got over 996 views in the last 28 days. Audience, subscribers, videos of growing your audience. The top two are kind of low. The middle one is kind of low. Format views, watch time for subscribers. Not a lot have subscribed for watch time, age and gender for your videos and shorts. Top geographies. And when your viewers are on YouTube, that's important to know for when you want to stream or upload shorts. Research how people find your views and stuff. Okay, so we go to content. Unique people that have watched more recently. Even my new one has 41% audience. How to find your audience on what they watched on your channel. Unique viewers, the ones that watch your stuff, which what I technically showed you earlier. Alright, go back to Annalist. And then if we go here, these are all my recent videos. You can see what they like and stuff. And go to customization. For those who don't know, this is where you can put your people who haven't seen or subscribed to your videos, and for your future returning subscribers, you could change your video of any video on your channel and you can put it there, or you could search for other stuff on different channels and put it there. Branding pictures, they have to be a certain size for it to fit. Profile picture for this one. Banner image for my YouTube for people to see. And my little icon video. I keep them for the entire video so people don't try to copy the videos. You could put your name, handline, description about your channel so people can know your feedback on what you do for your channel and what you're about. You can add channel links here, Facebook, TikTok, Torn, whatever social channels you want there. You can have up to 5 links right there. And that's a link button. Links on banner, I picked 5. You can put your email if you want to, but I choose not to. And when you're done, you go back to view channel and it'll look something like this. My info is here. About me. Just click that arrow to read more. Your clips, if you say go to someone's live and you did a clip for them, your clips will be there. Go back to my video. And let's see. Earnings. To become a partner, you can sign up here. And then you can check your progress, creator tools and support. You can read on those too. Once you get to partner, you'll get all that stuff. And that's how far I am right now, doing good for subscribers. Thank you everyone that has and recently subscribed. Watch hours, pretty excellent. And 118k public hours short views in the last 90 days. Awesome. This is where you sign up at the bottom here. Follow those 2 steps and they'll note you once you reach your limit to partner. And that's on the earn page with the money symbol on the left hand side there. This is what I want to show you next. Go to comments, hit the X button to see them all. If you missed any in your previous past or anything, you could check there. Mentions, if people mention you on YouTube, you could check that spot and check it out. Like I said, if you missed any comments, go there. Manage videos again to get back to it. These are all your videos you can find and how many likes and comments there is. Now let's go to edit video. These are the hashtags you can add to your video to get more views. Description on your video and about yourself and maybe some shoutouts. This is where you could pick your picture for your movie or short, but for shorts you can't really pick show more. And make sure that's off because you're not making money on it, unless if you are, that's up to you, but I keep it off. These are your hashtags. Add to your video and explain about your video right here. Those help get you more views. I have 255 out of 500. You could do the date, your zone where you live in, allow video editing. So if you want people to trim like little bits of your video for their video, they can. Allow comments, newest comment for on top, save, done. Go back to your channel and it'll look like this, however you want it set. Okay, this is the most important because some people don't know this. There's latest and popular on everybody's channel. If you hit latest, that's what they last uploaded. If you hit popular, that's what's trending, that's what everybody's watching on their channel. Save for shorts. Latest, my latest videos that were uploaded, hit popular, boom, wow. Those are the ones that are being watched most commonly. Thank you. Save for live, same thing. Popular, newest. And I hope that's helped everybody out. This is Majestic Queen here, live on YouTube. I thank everyone that has subscribed to me, and again, for the people that have watch hours and been watching and you're not subscribed and you come to my channel more recently than you figure you would, please hit that subscribe button, help support, hit that like, hit a comment, and if this has helped you out, feel free to post. Thank you.